Hello everyone. In this session, we will discuss how to find the solutions of homogeneous linear ordinary differential equations with constant coefficient. So it is homogeneous linear ordinary differential equations with constant coefficient. So although we can have a higher order equations also, but let's consider the second order ordinary differential equation, which is of course linear. So this can be of the form y double dash plus a times of y dash plus b times of y equal to 0. So we can see that on the right side we don't have any terms, that is rx equal to 0. So this makes it homogeneous, and of course this is linear, and the coefficients a and b are supposed to be constant, not function of x or y. So in that case we can form auxiliary equation as such. The auxiliary equation will be given as m square plus a times of m plus b equal to 0. That is, in this equation, in the very simplest manner, you can replace the y or its derivative. So it is y to the power of 0, so it's 0 derivative, so it is simply m to the power 0. You can write m to the power of 0. This is first derivative, so m to the power 1, second derivative, so m to the power of 2, and like that. So if it was a higher order, let's say y triple dash, in that case we can replace it with m to the power of 3. Now we can solve this and find the roots. Let's say we will have lambda 1 and lambda 2. Had it been a higher order, let's say third order, fourth order, then we will have 2, 3, 4 and more roots like that. So in that case there are different cases for these roots, and as per that we will have the homogeneous solutions or the general solutions. So the case is, if we have, first one is real and different roots, that is m1 and m2, then the general solution or homogeneous solution is given as c1 e to the power of minus, or it should be simply 1 m1 times of x plus c2 e to the power of m2 times of x. So this is the general solution for roots being real and different. If roots are, let's say, real and equal, that is m1 and the other one is also m1, in that case the homogeneous equation is going to be c1 plus c2 times of x into e to the power of mx. And third is, if we have complex, and you can say complex conjugate or pair of complex conjugate roots, let's say alpha plus minus j beta, it can be j beta or I beta, anything is okay. In that case the homogeneous equation will have the solution like e to the power of alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. In case we have a higher order equation and let's say we have more roots, let's say m1, m2, m3 and so on, then this may go up to c3 e to the power of m3x, and if there are repeated roots this can go up to c1 plus c2x plus c3x square, and if another one is c4x to the power of 3, like that, e to the power of mx. And probably if we have two pairs of complex conjugate, then we can have more terms like this. Or if we have, like, let's say one complex conjugate pair and then one real root, let's say m3, then we can simply add c3 times of e to the power of m3x. So we can combine all of them. There are possibility that we have real roots also and complex roots also. So we will put both of them together. So this is how we can solve for linear second order or higher order homogeneous equations with constant coefficients.